Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for being here. I will say right from the top, annual customization is open. So if you're listening to me and you are an annual who is not customized, stop. Go customize now. That was legit stressful. There were so many things that I really wanted to get, and I have two annual boxes that I could feel a little bit of stress from that. I mean, I still enjoy it. I still love it's kind of like a game, like, will I get what I want? When I was in a couple of minutes ago, nothing sold out super quick. So we will do the scroll through, and then I will keep monitoring throughout the day. And down in the comments, as I see things that are sold out, I will put it down there. If you guys notice something, like if I happen to be out and you guys notice something before I do, feel free to put down in the comments in case there's something that we have missed. Okay, so we got right into customizations. It opened right on time for me, and I hope for all of you guys, it went completely flawlessly. Welcome to your Springbox 2023. Get started. You guys will see what I chose. So, spoiler alert, you're going to know everything that I chose. I, as my first choice, did the Jonathan Adler bedside carafe. And then I added the cooler. I put the Coach Apple Watch in here, which is why I always tell you guys to come back and check if you can't get something you want. Oh, it says limited supply. I'm going to make this decision today because I have been really leaning toward an Apple Watch for Valentine's Day, and I need to check if the watch that I want, if the size is compatible with this. You would think I would have had time to do that. Everything that they said would be here is here, I believe. I also got the Fenty Skin Flash Nap. I did not choose the Lumina NRG, but as of right now, everything still seems to be available. So we'll go on to our customization 2. Additional selections for 1 and 2 are indeed $15. I chose, you guys know, I chose the Commodity Gold Expressive. I am so happy to finally be trying that. I've heard so many people say good things about it. When I did my add-ons yesterday, I don't know how, but in the first go through, I missed the little sample set. But late in the night last night, I snagged it. Somebody threw one back, so I got it. The favoriting thing is working fabulous. I think that everything that I favorited, and there were like 4 things, I think there's only one now that I don't have. I added the Jonathan Adler rib glasses. I did it in both boxes because I have to have 4. I did the melamine I could have done in one box. I didn't realize. I did that in both boxes also. I decided against the placemats. I decided I probably wouldn't use them. Everything else is the same. I went with the large, extra large lounge set. This looks so big, but there's absolutely no way I could make myself buy a small medium. You guys have seen me. I couldn't buy a small medium. Customization 3, additional selections were $12. I chose the berry bowls. The limited supply, Better Than Sex, is still available, so that's a good sign. Keep in mind, things that you saw that I said that I wanted, I have another box. I'm not going to show you what's in that one. You can't know all my secrets. This is what we got for the rest of this. I am a 14-16, and I could not decide which way to go with the hanky pankies. You guys said so many good things about it. I have to try them. I ended up going with Plus. I know, I'm probably going to regret it, but here we are. Customization 4, additional selections $8. I had to go with the Vince Camuto blue ombre necklace. It is gorgeous. Every picture that I have seen in person of it, it has looked so pretty. And that is it. In customization 4, I only did 1 per box. Yep. Okay, customization 5, also only 1 per box, but additional selections would be $8. In this box, I chose the Grace and Stella Hot and Cold Gel Bead Sleep Mask. Everything is still available. So everything so far is still available, guys. Customization 6, I went with the Glamnetic reusable nails. Promise me you guys are going to come back and watch me do my unboxing. I'll have add-ons and mystery bundles, so I'll make it worth your while. And that is all I did in this one. Everything is still available. So we did submit. Refills, I did not add any. Actually, I took away the Living Proof. Was it Living Proof? I think. Shampoo and conditioner that I had done last season because I have so many shampoos going on right now. Oh my gosh, so many. I'll go through these kind of slowly because if you're fairly new to Fabfitfun, you might not know that all of these are a choice in refills. You can just see what a great deal you get on these things. So if any of this is something you're interested in, like the Living Proof full shampoo and conditioner, $60. If you could go right now to Sephora and buy it, $60. Refills, you can get it for $25.20, and it will come every time you get your box. I mean, it's a great deal. The Restore that's what I put back. The Restore shampoo and conditioner. I have so much shampoo and conditioner. If I want it again next time, I'll just add it back in. Lots of Ahava, some Wish. That is the floss that I use. I like that cocoa floss. It's a little thick. It's a little thick, but I have it, so I use it. So many refill choices. I mean, they add 4 or 5 each season. So if this continues, it's going to get huge. The refills, that is the refill, the original refill bundle for a mystery bundle that they put in refills. Wow, I said refill a lot there. It used to be $14.99. It's gone up to $19.99. We got that in an email. And also, something I did not notice yesterday when we were doing our scroll through and add-ons is the mystery bundle has gone up to $39 from $29, and yet it still says that you will receive $100 in value. So for the same value, it's gone up $10. Interesting. And then next we have our boosts. They have done this $15 rush delivery. Probably should do that. They didn't fix the full copy because it says need your winter box quicker by the holidays. By selecting this boost, we'll prioritize the processing of your spring order. So they know it's spring, but they didn't take out that winter box line. So if you do this, you can expect your order to be delivered by February 21st. That is a hard decision. Didn't do it, but I kind of want to. Should I do it? I'll just do it with this one box and we'll see how much more quickly it comes than my second box. Should we do that and give it a try and see if it's worthwhile? I'll put that on there for now. You guys let me know what you think about it. And then I added that Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It's the mega strengthening. You guys hear how much I complain about how weak and fragile my hair is. How could I not get that? Everything else, oh, nope. I was gonna say everything else still seems to be available, but the Kate Spade Pebbled, I don't even remember these being in here. Apparently there were Kate Spade shoulder bags and crossbody bags. Yeah, I didn't even notice them the first time through. I did notice this denim jacket though. The Hudson Jeans denim jacket. They have it in small, medium, large, extra large, or 1X. I gave it really serious consideration, but you know what? I live in jeans and I I can't do a denim laser suit. I just can't. So that, woohoo, customization saved. That was my customization for Fabfitfun Spring 2023. Did you go in and do yours if you're an annual? Did you have any issues? I felt fully prepared this time. I got both of my boxes done. I'll keep my second box a slight secret, although there are definitely clues if you've watched any of my spoiler videos. You know what I like. But I just feel like it went really easily, really smoothly. We are basically 20 minutes in right now. I did make this video pretty quickly, but we are 20 minutes in and nothing has sold out yet. So that is a good sign. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. We have made it through FabFitFun and the spoilers, and now we've done our add-ons and customizations. There are a couple of things in add-ons that I want to continue to try and get. I feel like my customization went well. We'll add that $15 for shipping. It says we'll have it by the 21st. So we'll kind of compare when I get that box versus when I get my second annual box, and we'll know for the future if it's really worthwhile. I mean, there's nothing in there that I couldn't live another week or two without. Nothing. But it can be a little science experiment for us. We can see which way works better. If you have any questions, if there's anything you think I can help with, let me know below. If it's something I can help with, I am happy to do it. I will go back through as the day goes on periodically to see what has sold out, if anything has sold out. Even if it does sell out, don't give up hope. Just like in add-ons, be sure and refresh, because just like I have that Coach wristband in mind now for the Apple Watch, as soon as I'm done making this video, I'm going to go see what size my band is so I know if it will fit. But in theory, if it were to run out and I put mine back, somebody that was refreshing could get it. Also, I think they restock at times. Okay, I've gone on long enough. I was so wound up over this. Can you guys tell? Can you tell? All right, thank you so much for being here. I will probably be putting up a couple of videos this week because I've done these for the last 2 days, so I'm a little bit behind. I have a huge Ipsy that I think I'm going to put up tomorrow. If after watching this you would like to sign up, I will put the link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. Have a great weekend, guys. I hope it is beautiful where you are. I think it's going to be a little cold here, but I hope you have a beautiful weekend. Take care. Bye, guys.